Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video add handmade magic to your home this Christmas. Viewers, crochet stars, snowflakes and little tree prints warm and festive cheer to every corner. Crochet your way into the holiday spirit. Cute ornaments, table runners, and cozy stockings are made with love for Christmas. Friends, and nothing feels more special than handmade decoration. These crochet Christmas crafts are simple, beautiful, and perfect for decorating your home, friends, and this holiday season, decorate with love, crochet, and festive coaster and mini Santa make every space cozy and bright. Birds and holiday ornaments easy to make and perfect for Christmas. Viewers, friends, brings winter wonder into your home with crochet, snowflakes, stars, and holiday ornaments. With warm color and festive joy. So I hope you will like my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates.